Our next witness is Dr. Tran, who will give evidence remotely.
Dr. Tran.
Yes, speaking.
Before we begin this session, I would like to repeat the warning that, as far as I understand it, your presentation contains photographs with some distressing images. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, so this is a warning for people to either look away or be prepared. This relates to one of the photos in your report. You have a photo of a group of elderly Uyghur women and children being stopped at the border and being returned to China. And my question to you is, have you got any information on the fate of Uyghurs attempting to flee who are captured and returned to China?
Can I, if I can, if I can have the pictures up of that group, and then if I can get into the specific about that incident. This is an incident that happened on April 18, 2014. One group of 16 Uyghurs allegedly escaped detention by the Vietnamese border guards and apparently barricaded themselves in a building on the Vietnam's side of the border. Chinese police officers and Vietnamese border guards surrounded the building and killed on the Uyghur men. The details of the incidents, the best that we can find is that at 5:30 a.m. that day, April 18, 2014, Vietnamese border guards were informed by the Chinese that a group of Chinese nationals were attempting to enter Vietnam illegally. The Vietnamese border guards and the police intercepted the group and detained 16 people, including 10 men, 4 women, and 2 children. The police and guards immediately took the refugees to the border gate, called the Chinese authorities, and waited to hand the refugees over to the Chinese. At about lunch, 1 p.m. or so, according to the official Vietnamese version, the Uyghurs attacked the Vietnamese police. And after that, 5 Uyghurs were killed, most of whom had allegedly committed suicide by leaping from a multi-story building. Again, this is according to the official Vietnamese version. And others were gunned down by Vietnamese police and border guards. The Chinese government, who was also on the scene, has admitted that the refugees involved in this clash with the Vietnamese border guards are from Xinjiang, but did not mention anything about them attacking the Vietnamese police. Other eyewitnesses reported that the deceased Uyghurs were in handcuffs. So it was raising doubts about the Vietnam's official account of this fatal incident. If I can see the next photo of the bodies, again, with disclaimer, this photo shows bodies, apparently male, being stuck on several carts after the incident, and they were getting ready to be transported back to China. The next picture show women and young children being returned to China. If I can see the next pictures. I'm sorry, the one before that. They are being returned to China as the Uyghurs, quote, extremists and terrorists, unquote. Some of the deportees have been sentenced to life imprisonment on reaching China. That's an answer to your question. One person of the group, if I can see the last pictures. Her name is Rizwan Turson. She was 18 when this happened, and she would be 25 now. Was one of those women. She has vanished completely in the police custody. Her father broke 3 years silence to ask for information on her whereabouts and condition. He had successfully escaped with his family, with other family members into Turkey the year before. He said that he have not learned anything about the fate of my daughter since the day she was deported to China. And so far, none of my relatives in my hometown have been informed of any charges against her, nor have any of my friends or neighbors, unquote. According to their families, not just in this incident, but other incidents, many of the Uyghurs who were detained by the Vietnam's authorities or returned to China have disappeared while in custody, and nothing have been heard about them.
Thank you, Dr. Tran. That's very helpful. Chair, over to you.